This is the back of the TJ 8550. Rodney is loading the material. The way the machine loads is it goes from the roll and it runs it to length and cuts it off, and you can see through that hole in the side panel that is a buffer, and it is sheeted and put into the buffer. Then when it's ready to print, the drum will grab onto the sheet and pull it from the buffer and wrap it around the drum. You can see that the material has wrapped itself on the drum, and now the drum is spinning and the file is being printed. It will make several revolutions to come up to the proper color and density. Slowing down now, and then the material is automatically going to eject from the printer, slide out on the table. As you can see, it slides out of the machine and Rodney assists it coming out of the machine. The material comes down the ramp, and it would be ready to print another print immediately right after this one. Hope that shows you how you print one print off of the TJ 8550. Thanks.